Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the live voicemail not showing on the iPhone iOS 17 or later. So if you're in the settings and you come down and select the phone, you should see live voicemail. Mine is currently on. If you don't, what you want to do is come into the settings, then select general, then select language and region, and what you want to do is change your region. The only regions that have it is the United States or Canada. However, if you do change your region, then some things like Apple Pay and other little devices from Apple may stop working or are more unlikely to stop working. So if you're not from either of them regions, you have to tread carefully. And the best option may actually be to wait for a later update where it is rolled out across the world. But that's how to fix live voicemails not showing on the iPhone iOS 17. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.